How to make GIFs from videos on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to create GIF from the videos on WhatsApp, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do, go to your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp application, you need to choose a chat that you want to send a GIF to. Suppose I will open this one just for the sake of the video and then tap on the attachment file option. From there, you need to tap on gallery. So once you access to your gallery, you need to select a video file. So once you select a video file, all you need to do is you need to reduce the length to 6 or less than 6 seconds. So once you select the portion which is 6 seconds, as you can see here, then the two options will appear. There is a video option and then there is a GIF option. So all you need to do is to tap on the GIF option and it will create a GIF. And then the next thing you need to do is to just tap on the send option and this GIF will be sent to the particular chat that you selected. So guys, this is how you can create a GIF out of videos on WhatsApp application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.